Nagluto ako ng isda, saka pritong talong, at saka nagawa ako ng salsadong kamatis at saka itlog. Ito ang aking dinner. Kunting brown rice, pero napadami pa nga eh. Sarap, sarap, rap, rap, rap. Sarap. Kain tayo. Tapos yung talong ko, ayun. Galing dito sa garden ko, aking talong. Kapipitas ko lang din ngayon. Tapos pinareto ko. Ang sarap. And then, pagkatapos ko kumain ng aking dinner, this is my dessert. Yes.
His dream was to visit Yellowstone National Park. Do you think he might be pretty pleased about it?
Pampataba.